So if you're an Android developer like me, one of the most things that you're scared of is that you receive an email from Google telling you that one of your apps is suspended or disabled because of an issue you're having. Today I received a new email that I never received before, stating that one of my apps has reduced visibility because of bad behavior, basically because of high crashes. So as you can see here, the app has a crash rate of 1.26, which exceeds the Google Play bad behavior threshold of 1.09%, and they take this average on a 28-day period. The app that they mentioned in the email is an app that isn't used by a lot of people, but I still want to maintain it for the users that I have. So since it doesn't have a lot of users, if one user managed to generate a lot of crashes, this can even trigger the Google Play algorithm to reduce visibility for the app. This is most likely what happened in this app. So let's look at the crash log on Google Play to see what was happening. As you can see here, we have this crash here that is causing most of the crashes of the events. We have 12 affected users and 33 events, which is a lot for this app since once again it doesn't have a lot of users. So these little crashes can affect the app a lot. When you receive an email like this, the first thing that you want to do is to fix the issue as soon as possible, because you're losing visibility on Google Play, and when you're losing visibility, you are reducing the downloads, and if you maintain that, you will lose the popularity of the app and affect your visibility in the long term as well. So in this case, I quickly opened up Android Studio and started looking for the bug to see where it is. Since there was only one crash and the source code of this app isn't large, I quickly found the issue. Basically, the users have the option to set this timer when they open the app, and I was testing the buttons basically, but I forgot to test it well when the user enters a value. For example, if they enter 000, the seconds will be 0, and when they press start, there will be a division by 0, and this will cause a crash and will basically stop the app from working. And this is the crash that we're seeing here in the Google Play console, and I was basically losing visibility on Google Play because of this simple and stupid crash. Stupid! This bug had a very simple solution. All I needed to do was to check if the value for the initial time is less than 0, and if it's less than 0, I will set it to 1 so that I don't have a division by 0. And when I ran the code, the app worked, as you can see here. When I set the value to 0 now and press start, the timer showed 0 as expected, and I can stop the timer. Okay, so that's it for this bug. Let's mark the issue as solved in Firebase Crashlytics so that next time we open the source code to update it, we know what happened in the past. Write a quick changelog to keep a note what happened, and export the app from Android Studio as an APK and upload it to the Play Store. I'm going to roll out the app immediately to production because this was a very small update and the risk of it interfering with other things is very small. So I'm going to upload it to production, and as release notes, I'm going to write in fix the minor crash because I think that's enough for this update, and I'm going to go ahead and publish the app for review. As I said before, this was the first time that this happened to me, but it's very important to note that Google keeps track of your crashes in the app, and if your crashes reach a threshold, a particular threshold, then Google will limit the visibility for your app, and it will affect your app in the short term and even in the long term if you leave the issue unsolved for a long time. That's all for this video. If you are still watching, please feel free to press the thumbs up button and follow this channel for more videos related to Android and iOS development.